Hello! Yeah! So I'm here. Wow. So kind. Wow. Nice. So now I'm here in Sofitel in Cambodia. Third time ko na dito sa Cambodia, Sofitel. Palagi ko talagang napapansin ang linis. Ang linis po ng hotel nito. Alam nyo guys, I came here to Cambodia because of event. And yung event na to is related in beer. So nagulat ako nung binuksan ko yung refrigerator. Wow. Full of beer. Kaya ko bang ubusin to? Hello, now I'm going to morning meeting. Sorry to my bare face. We'll do makeup because I have meeting again after 1 hour. And first, I'm using this one. Kia Clearly Corrective Dark Spot Solution. Moisturizer in Eyes Way. I like this moisturizer cream because sobrang siya, hindi siya sobrang sticky, light na light. So mostly, I'm not using the other moisturizer or moisture cream. I think if you have a same like skin type with me, na sobrang oily at ayaw nyo ng mabigat na texture, I think this is good one. Siyempre, pinaka-importante sa mga age ko. So, I also put in neck. Kasi maiwas tayo. So, nilalagay ko rin siya in here. And also, sobrang mainit din po yung Cambodia. So, kailangan ko rin gawin. Ilalagay po ng marami. Ito yung para sa Puna Medusa Orange Skin. Actually, ito nakita ko sa one of the Korean YouTuber, beauty YouTuber siya. And medyo marami rin siyang mga acne and oily skin. So, ginagamit niya to. I tried. Pero, for me, hindi ko nakita sobrang talagang mukhang filter yung dating. Pero, syempre, ginagamit ko pa rin para maubos ko na. Malaki yung mga pores, ilong, sa cheek. And my next vanilla ko. This is 22 natural. 22. And now, I'm using this one na. I bought this in Shopee. Sobrang mura. 12 peso lang yata. And sponge from Korea. And ito sa Shopee ko na rin binili. 6 peso. Ito yung Holika concealer. This is MAC. So before I do eye makeup, ito yung ginagamit ko for my eye. For my cheek. Akala niya cool tone siya, pero hindi pala. Etude. Tatangos ang ilong ko. Ito po yung ginagamit ko, lip and Inga. And my perfume is actually 2, pero today I will use Diptyque. Ito po ako sa Ion Mall near Sofitel. Actually, yan yung one of na nagustuhan ko sa Sofitel kasi sobrang malapit yung para siyang SM Robinson Mall in Philippines. Kung gutom kayo, you can come over here to take your lunch or dinner or coffee. Pero sometimes kasi napansin ko kung ano yung meron sa Philippines, minsan wala dito. At kung ano yung meron dito, minsan wala sa Philippines. So I think you can check then. Ang taas rin kasi ng shopping mall na to eh. So I'm here because I'm very hungry. Hindi ako kumain ng breakfast, hindi ako kumain ng lunch dahil di ko alam, parang sobrang pagod ko yata. 3 hours lang naman yung flight. So after na meeting namin, meron pa akong time, around like 5 hours pa. Sa Cambodia kasi, they have their own currency. Pero pwede rin nyo gamitin yung dollar. So actually, I have dollar, my own. So try kong bilihin kung kaya ba. Oh, cute. Oh, this is 50%. Kakabili ko lang sa Philippines eh. Kain na lang po ako. Pakita ko sa inyo sobrang daming klaseng pagkain. Ito buko siya. Oh, cream papaya. Buko ka? Oh my god. And there is chicken, rice, parang bento bags, burger, full chicken, roll sushi. Oh my god, I love this. I will choose this. What's this? Wow. And may purpose rin siya dito eh. So you can try also the purpose. Oh, may salad din. Noodles. And Indian 14,965. Wow, ang mahal. This is the legit one. I really love to taste. Gusto ko talaga yung papaya salad and green mango salad kasi. And sushi and ice americano. I will try my and for my bokbang, I will try the papaya salad. 너무 맛있어. Carrot, tomato. At nagulat ako, may nilagay silang something. Kaya amoy seafood talaga. As you can see, oh, tingnan nyo may crab. It's not salty and little bit sweet. Kasi para siyang marinated. 'Di ba? Sa Korea, usong-uso yung 간장게장 and 양념게장. Yung ganun siya. Pero may kasama siyang mga veggies. Sushi. May wasabi dito and soy sauce. Actually, I'm not eating whole rice. Kasi, ang bilis mabubusog. It's fresh. Parang hindi siya galing sa market. Bumas na. So now I'm going to airport to pick up. Okay, I'm now here in my room. It's already 12 here in Cambodia. So, ibig sabihin, 1 a.m. na sa Philippines. Tapos na yung work ko today. So, thank you so much for watching this video. This is my first day. So, abangan natin second day. Actually, hindi ko sure na maka-video ko yung event. Thank you for watching. I see you tomorrow. 안녕. Good morning. Now, we're going to venue to check anything happened in concert sa venue. po kami. The food is from Ponga. Oh. Mukhang sarap ng pork. Ang laki ng pork, grabe. Di ba ang sarap ng pork and chicken sa Philippines? So today's dinner is, I think this is bulgogi, some potato salad, 탕수육, my favorite, and rice, and seaweed soup.
Are you ready? 넘치나해.
Really didn't know you guys liked me this much. I really didn't know that.
Dito na ako sa Cambodia for 3 days na. Hindi ako nag-charge, pero ganito pa rin yung battery niya. Grabe, no? Today use is 0.2 dahil it's already midnight na, saktong 12. Grabe, ang tagal ng battery niya. I really love to use Big Sky. Maybe starting tomorrow, I will look around for the local food and I search some Filipino restaurant kung saan malapit dito sa Sofitel. Actually, medyo natatakot din ako na magbiyahe kasi hindi ko alam yung mga lugar, pero I asked some translator and also to the local promoter kung saan yung masarap, pero hindi rin sila familiar and they recommend me some other place. So, try ko rin i-search sa Google. Pahinga na po ako. Thank you so much for having me. Sa Korean team din po sa tiwala nila. I will have this one can and sleep na po ako for tomorrow. Good night, guys. See you!